Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful day. I'm going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin. Yesterday's trade played out perfectly before the FOMOC meeting. I'm going to show you, tomorrow I'll give you a villa tour of this villa. I'm currently at my brother's wedding. It's incredible. Can't wait to show you around this villa. One of the best villas it's beautiful. You'll see it tomorrow. Hit the subscribe button, join 77,000 people, almost 78,000. Smash up thumbs up button. I am an investor for 21 years. I'm a VC in the crypto space. More than 30, my team has done due diligence and invested in more than 30 crypto startups. I'm an advisor. Many projects ask me or try to get me on advisor for percentage of the entire circulating supply. I very rarely become advisor unless I believe the project is absolutely amazing and the team is absolutely amazing, because I don't want to put my time into something unless it's really going to be massive or really change the world. I'm a retired multi-millionaire. I've been making these videos for 2.5 years, talking to you almost every day, showing you my journey, my travels, my lifestyle, all from my phone. Everything you've seen for the last 2.5 years has been done from my iPhone, before Samsung, if you were with me in the Thailand BlackRock villa. Yeah, and we're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin. That trade played out perfectly. FOMOC meeting, they increased it by 75 basis points. Then the market dropped quite heavily after the announcement. In my opinion, we're close to the bottom. I'm seeing volume starting to pick up across Bitcoin and altcoins. I'll be very careful. If you followed my videos, I called the day of the top on November 11th. I was the only one in the world. And how I know that? One, I'm pretty popular in the crypto and online space. We have more than now 300,000 crypto gurus across the different social networks. But the main reason is on the day of the top, November 11th, I was actually at the financial summit in Dubai at a big event where it was $10,000 per ticket, per ticket for the event. And I was the only one out of everyone in the financial summit to notice and say that we are at the day of the top. And that was the time to sell at 69,000. In my opinion, it's time to be accumulating down here. You have to do your own due diligence, not financial advice. I'm showing you my opinions, my ideas, and my journeys through my investments and the markets and my money. And I'm so glad I made hundreds of multi-millionaires, and from my audience, thousands and millions, or probably hundreds of thousands of comments of people thanking me, people putting my face on their cars that they bought from my help, from my instruction, my teachings. People buying houses, surgeries, paying for things. I've helped hundreds of thousands of people, which I'm very proud of. It's one of my greatest legacies, actually. My goal is to make financial or change the world. I want to make a peaceful world, an abundant world. My slogan is abundance for all. The day of dog-eat-dog fighting over scraps is over. This is the new age. This is the technological age. We're in the year 2022, and our goal now, all of you should be making the world better for your children. That's my goal, which is beautiful. So join me on the journey. Don't miss my videos. Learn from my experience. Learn from my knowledge. I will change your life. If I haven't already, if I have, comment down below if I've changed your life. That would be also amazing. My team is also make sure you pay attention to I'm the founder of one of the projects, MCRT. I'm an investor in 30 projects, advisor to many projects, but this is the project that I founded when I was already a multi-millionaire. And this project, MCRT, pay attention to it. It's the accumulation of two massive industries. The gaming industry, which is a $300 billion a year industry. It's 4 times bigger than Hollywood and all movie industry. Gaming industry is 4 times bigger than the entire movie industry every year, and 7 times bigger than the entire music industry. That's gaming. And crypto is a now $1 trillion market cap, total market cap, just under 1 trillion. It reached 3 trillion in the bull market. So the gaming industry and the crypto industry merging together with play-to-earn crypto games. And my company is one of the top 10 play-to-earn games. I would say the best actually play-to-earn game if you actually look at the game. For all these competitor companies to actually build the quality level that we've built with MagicCraft and MCRT, it will take them more than 3 years with the big development studio of more than 60 developers. And it will cost them more than $10 million to compete with what we've built. And that's just the games section of things, not including all our smart contract development team, all the smart contracts and the systems that we've put in place to merge crypto and gaming together. Our goal, MCRT, is going to be the crypto for the currency of gaming. That's the goal. And it's also a universal basic income, but that's later on, you'll see in the journey. Hit the subscribe button. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the technical. And Bitcoin played out exactly as I said yesterday. It played out the trade exactly as it predicted. This was the trade I opened in yesterday's video. The stop loss was down here. It was stop loss at 18,793 here, exactly where we are right now. and it went up from that trade open at 18,900, and it hit the take profit at 19,600 from yesterday's video. It perfectly played out. Then the FOMOC meeting happened and it dropped, but the take profit was already hit. I'll show you that video from yesterday when I called it perfectly. So around 19,600. Now, where would I would go long here on Bitcoin, because until this line, I think we're going to move up. Actually, it's coming to accumulation point. Now the FOMOC meeting is today, and they're going to announce the interest rates, and that's where it matters. So I would wait till the interest rate announcement. If they announce anything under, and then I open stop loss just here underneath this support, it either works or it fails. Take profit at the target, 5.39 ratio, risking $129 to make $697. With 10x leverage, that'd be $6,970. 100x, and then fast forward about 24 hours, and that played out exactly as I said, and then it dropped massively, and now we're retesting that under the channel after the FOMOC meeting. Again, on the weekly, the daily, the monthly, we're extremely oversold, and this is not the time to be selling. The time to be selling was the day of the top on November 11th up here. When I called the day of the top, that was the time to be selling at 69k. Down here, in my opinion, these yellow lines is the place to be starting to ladder in. Split your orders. Make sure you split it between these three yellow lines. So if you have $100,000, don't put it all at one go here. You split it here at these supports, going down to 13,000, even going down to 10,000 if you can. But in my opinion, on the monthly, the weekly, the daily, we're extremely oversold. It's not the time to be selling, and we're coming to a point of a meeting point that ends. The countdown now is less than, so you can see here we started this downtrend on November 11th. We've been downtrending, and we've got this big support line here, and this time it's coming to a point of explosive movements, and that point ends here. That point ends here around the 7th of October. So in the next, from the 23rd to the 7th, so we're around 2 weeks away from some massive big movement for Bitcoin, in my opinion, to the upside. On the 4-hourly oversold heading up, on the daily on the hourly oversold heading up, on the 15 minutes heading up. We're at a resistance point here. We'll get rejected a little bit, but I think we're going back up. It's too oversold, and this is a kind of double bottom here on the 15-minute time frame. Look at that, with volume spiking at this double bottom. So I'd be going long here with Bitcoin. I'd do a big long here. I'd wait till it gets a little bit rejected off here. Stop loss just underneath here, this support, and the take profit at the red line. And that gives us an epic trade. 11.81 risk to reward ratio, risking $209 to make $2,472 without leverage. With 10x leverage, that would be $24,720 of profits with 10x leverage. $24,000. That's the trade that I would take on Bitcoin now. This exact trade, opening the trade at 18,723, stop loss 18,514, risking $209, and take profit $21,195, risking $209 to make $2,472 without leverage. With 10x leverage, $24,000 of profits. That's the trade that I would take on Bitcoin. If you want to trade Bitcoin, down below in the description, go down below in the description and the pinned comment, there's a link to Bybit. If you sign up to Bybit, that's the exchange I use for my trading Bitcoin, altcoins, and Ethereum. You can do leverage trading on there, or you can also do spot trading. I would recommend taking crypto course. I have courses if you want before you do any leverage trading. But Bybit, down there, you get a $4,450 sign-up bonus. They did a partnership with us. All my audience will get a $4,450 sign-up bonus if you trade with Bybit using that link down below. It's the second biggest exchange in the world, Bybit. The link is in the description, and that's the trade that I would take on Bitcoin. And Bitcoin is amazing, but I want you to do your own due diligence, but pay attention to my project. It is my project. I am the founder of this project, MCRT, but I highly recommend my audience pay attention to it. In the last 3 months, I told everyone, pay attention to it. It's up more than 600%. It went up more than 1,000%, and then it pulled back a bit. But it's still up more than 600%. Pay attention to this play-to-earn game, MCRT, this new technology. We're up 3% today. It's up 3.2% against Bitcoin. It's up 7% against Ethereum. It's just under 1 cent. It's ranked 653 of all cryptocurrencies. It's on the Ethereum, Binance, Solana, and the Phantom chain. It's CertiK audited. Market cap is currently sitting at 14.8 million. Volume is up 17%, almost 1 million of daily volume, which is quite huge. $1 million of volume per day, $961,000 of volume. This is the chart, pretty much even the last day. The last 7 days pulling back, almost about even the last 7 days pulling back quite a bit actually in the last week, with Bitcoin dropping, but almost about the same. In the last month, pulling back quite a lot. It went from almost 2 cents to now just under 1 cent. On the 3 months, it's still up massively, up around 700 or 600%. That's giant full bull flag. I am the founder of this project. This is not financial advice. You have to do your own due diligence. But I recommend look into MCRT, this play to earn game. You can get MCRT on the different exchanges. Let's see if it loads. The links to the exchanges in the description and the pinned comment. You can get it on PancakeSwap. And currently, 1,000 US dollars. The internet's lagging a bit. Let me turn it off. Currently, 1,000 US dollars gets you around. The internet is lagging. I'm on top of a mountain right now. Okay, let's connect back. Let's see if it loads. 1,000 US dollars because it's 1 cent, gets just under 1 cent, gets you around 100,000 MCRT. So 1,000 US dollars gets you around 100,000 MCRT. So USDT and MCRT. So 1,000 US dollars gets you around 104,000 MCRT, because it's less than 1 cent at the moment. Pay attention to MCRT, everyone. This is my project. I'm the founder. 1,000 US dollars gets you 104,000 MCRT. $100 gets you 10,400 MCRT. $10,000 gets you 1 million MCRT. My goal is to make MCRT in the top 10 market cap. I believe this is not financial advice, but my goal in the top of the bull market is to get it to $95 per MCRT. $95 per MCRT. That's my goal. And there's app.magicraft.io. There is staking, and right now there's around. People have bought and staked almost 500 billion MCRT is currently staked in the staking protocol now. It's just about to hit 500 million. 26.9% APR, interest per year. These are the different lockup periods and different bonuses, and these are the different staking periods. This is the smart contract, app.magicraft.io. It's also CertiK audited. Pay attention to MCRT, everyone. That's what's happening in the markets. This is my Twitter. Let's check out. This was me calling the exact day of the top on November 10th, 2021. This is when I called the day of the top. Is it loading? The internet is a bit slow. But this was me calling the day of the top. You can follow me, James Crypto Guru, on Twitter. That was me calling the day of the top on November 10th. You can check it out. This is Magicraft. This is our team closed testing the gameplay. It's in closed beta testing with the team. It's an epic game. You need to check it out. The internet is a bit laggy, so it's not loading. I'll go closer to the Wi-Fi. Let's see if it loads.
Okay, let's go.
Can't stay too long because I have some interview to run, guys.
This is our team internally testing the game.
Sure, just win quickly and you can leave.
Win quickly and then you can leave.
This is on mobile, Android, and iOS, currently operational in the team closed beta. To join the closed beta,
I don't find
1 million MCRT or 1 Genesis NFT collection. We will be allowing closed beta access very soon. This was a post I made. We are not in the fucking dark ages. Stop all wars. Vote any politician out if they are over 50 years old. Everyone of every country. Remember this tweet when you vote next. No politician over the age of 50. These old fucking dinosaurs are the reason young men are going to die all over the world for no reason. When you go to vote next time, you vote out. You do not vote any politician over the age of 50. We need young people that have access to the internet, that are not dinosaurs, that have had the internet their whole lives, that have traveled the world in political power, not these old fucking dinosaurs from the Cold War era with nuclear shit. We need them out of power. The next time, whichever country, whoever I'm talking to around the world, the next time you vote these old dinosaurs out of fucking power, and you vote under 50-year-old politicians into power, and we go to a peaceful world with intelligence, people that have traveled the world, used the internet, and are not fucking old Alzheimer's dinosaur pieces of shit that are sending young people to die. Thank you for watching, everyone. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.